mountain goat. Spotted on our way to summit of Mount Kidd. I think he saw me too. Seems to be lonely, but I didn't check in his surroundings. Might be more. So I went a little off-road, but I'm gonna try to backtrack a bit to correct it. Also on GPS it shows it's not too steep, but I want to avoid those cliffs, so I want to try to see if I can get back on the left side. Somehow the goat is still there.